If I told you that one single spice sitting in your kitchen cabinet right now could rewrite the way your body heals while you sleep, would you believe me? Probably not. I was a skeptic too. For years, I struggled with digestion, constant joint discomfort, and waking up feeling like I hadn't slept at all. I tried everything: teas, pills, diets. But nothing worked until I stumbled upon an ancient ritual that costs pennies to make. It's simply clove water. Now, I'm not here to sell you a magic potion. I'm here to walk you through the science and the experience of the 6 powerful changes that happen inside your body when you drink 1 cup of clove water before bed. Stick with me until the end, because change number 4 is the one that literally stopped my snoring and changed my marriage. Change number 1, the digestive reset. When we eat late or have heavy dinners, our digestion often struggles to keep up. This leads to gas, bloating, and that uncomfortable, heavy feeling when you lay down. Cloves contain a powerhouse compound called eugenol. When you drink clove water about 30 minutes before bed, that eugenol gets to work. It stimulates the secretion of digestive enzymes. Think of it as sending a night janitor into your gut. While you sleep, it helps expel trapped gas and soothes the smooth muscles of your intestines. The result? You wake up with a flat stomach, not a bloated one. You stop waking up at 2 a.m. with indigestion. For me, this was the first sign that something was actually working. Change 2 is a big one, especially if you're over 40. Blood sugar stability. Now, I'm not diabetic, but I used to crash hard in the afternoons. I'd crave sugar immediately after lunch. When we eat carbs, our blood sugar spikes. To counter this, the pancreas releases insulin. Over time, these spikes can lead to insulin resistance. But here is where clove water shines. Studies have shown that compounds in cloves can mimic insulin and help move sugar from the blood into the cells. Drinking it at night ensures that while you fast during sleep, your liver isn't dumping excess glucose into your blood. It keeps your morning fasting glucose low and steady. You wake up lighter, less groggy, and without that morning brain fog. Change number 3. The deep cleanse. We often talk about antioxidants, but we rarely visualize them. Your liver works overtime at night to filter toxins. Imagine your liver is a sponge filled with black ink. It's slow. It's saturated. Cloves are one of the most antioxidant-dense foods on the planet. They contain a high ORAC value, oxygen radical absorbance capacity. When you drink clove water, you are flooding your liver with these antioxidants right as it enters its peak cleaning phase, around 1 a.m. to 3 a.m. It's like giving your liver a power-up. This process reduces oxidative stress. In my life, this translated to clearer skin and more energy upon waking. Not that heavy, lethargic feeling. This is the one I promised you. Change 4. Silent joint repair. I used to wake up with stiff fingers. I had to warm up my hands just to make coffee. Inflammation is the root of most pain. It's also the reason many of us snore, because tissues in the throat become inflamed and narrow the airway. Eugenol is a natural COX-2 inhibitor, which is a fancy way of saying it works similarly to ibuprofen, but naturally. By drinking it at night, you are suppressing the inflammatory cascade while you sleep. For me, this was the game changer. By reducing systemic inflammation, the tissues in my throat stopped swelling. My wife tells me I don't snore anymore. If you have achy knees, back pain, or snoring, this single change is worth the price of admission. Change number 5. The immune night watch. We are exposed to germs all day. Our immune system is always on, but it does its best repair work at night. Cloves are famous in dentistry for a reason. They are antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal. When you drink the water, you aren't just digesting it. It coats your throat and mouth on the way down. It creates a hostile environment for pathogens. It's like sending a special forces unit to guard your tonsils and throat all night long. Since I started this, I stopped getting those tickle throats that turn into colds. I haven't been sick this entire season. And finally, change number 6. The cortisol reset. This is the mental game. You see, most of us go to bed with our minds racing. High cortisol, the stress hormone, keeps us in fight-or-flight mode. Clove water has a distinct aroma and warmth. While we focused on the eugenol for digestion, the smell of cloves acts on the limbic system, the emotional center of the brain. This aromatic trigger helps lower cortisol and shift your body into rest and digest mode, the parasympathetic state. By sipping this warm tea, you are physically signaling to your nervous system, "It is safe. We can sleep now." I fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer than I have in a decade. Now, you might be wondering, how do I make this? It's crucial that you do it right. You don't want clove oil. You want the whole cloves. Take 1 cup of water. Bring it to a boil. Add 3 to 4 whole cloves. Turn off the heat. Cover it and let it steep for at least 10 minutes. Strain out the cloves. Don't eat the whole clove. It's very strong. And sip it slowly about 30 minutes before bed. A quick disclaimer. If you are on blood thinners or are pregnant, please avoid this. Always listen to your body. This 1 cup changed my life. It brought me peace, mobility, and deep sleep. If you try it, come back to this video and let me know which of the 6 changes you noticed first. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more natural wellness resets. Good night and sweet dreams.